Earlier in the newscast, the city's winter weather centers are going to be opening tomorrow, which just kind of proves how cold it's going to get.
Yeah, we're waking up, it's going to be in the 70s, and it's going to feel like maybe October or late September. Front moves through early Monday morning, feels like temperatures in the teens. Can you believe that?
What?
I mean, just what a difference that makes, like 4 seasons crammed into 24 hours.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it right now. First, I want to start with where we were today. Our high temperature was 71. Normal high is 62, record is 84. We were kind of in between that high temperature record and that normal where we should be. Big picture across the country. Here's the big storm system that everyone's been talking about across the country. Northern Missouri, southern parts of Iowa, Kansas, Nebraska. We're starting to see some snow and some wintry mix begin to develop. We're not getting any of that, but we will get some cooler temperatures out of it. I'll show you that in just a second. First, though, look at these active alerts. We have blizzard warnings. That's in the red box right there. In the pink shade, that's winter storm warnings and even ice storm warnings down towards southern parts of Illinois and Missouri. So once that storm system continues to move to the east, we're going to get some nice Arctic air in place for us in the Lone Star State. A cooler than normal trend will continue through early Friday, maybe even into next weekend. So here's what we know. The cold air arrives on that front early tomorrow in the afternoon hours, so between, let's say, 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Below freezing overnight temperatures will be in place, but it's not going to be anything like we had 2 years ago or even in 2021. The grid will be fine, I promise you. The big thing, though, is could some winter weather be possible if we squeeze a little bit of moisture out over that cold air, but it's too far out for the specifics. So right now, at least, current temperatures in the upper 60s, even down towards San Marcos at 70 degrees at 9:20 p.m. Can you believe that? High temperatures tomorrow. Before the front moves through, we should get up into the low to mid 70s, but then notice up toward Lampasas and San Saba where the front comes in a little bit more toward the morning. That's where they'll stay in just the 60s. Here's how it's going to look. That's that big storm I was talking about. That's going to move to the east. A line will develop along the cold front of some severe weather. So actually portions of Louisiana and Mississippi dealing with a elevated severe weather risk, level 3 out of 5 there for northeastern parts of, let's say, Louisiana and western Mississippi. For us, at least, once that front moves through, you're going to notice a big drop in temperatures. Let me walk you through tomorrow during the early morning hours, the afternoon, and starting off your Monday with temperatures at or below freezing in central Texas. So big change in terms of air temps and wind chill. Winds will be gusting up to 30 miles per hour overnight, so hence teens. That's going to be the real feel for Monday, so dress accordingly then. High temperatures will continue to stay in the 40s, maybe even upper 30s on Thursday, warming back up into next weekend. Overnight lows will be below freezing, but we will be above freezing during the daylight hours. Now, we talked about that moisture that could be in place. If we could get something, a disturbance, or perhaps a good amount of moisture coming in from the Pacific, we could see a bit of mixing in central Texas. Models are all over the place, so considering it's 3, 4, 5 days out, no totals at all. We're not looking at those just yet, but just the trends. 62 tonight. We'll stay on the warm side. Tomorrow, back up into the mid-70s. Could get a brief morning shower. I think we'll stay dry. Mostly cloudy skies turning to sunshine. And then nothing but sun and cooler weather, upper 40s Monday and Tuesday. How about 40 degrees on Thursday? Wintry mix possible Thursday and Friday.